The latest collection Home Terrace Garden Design Ideas 2023. Welcome to our Home Terrace Garden Design Ideas 2023 collection. Transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis with our latest and most innovative terrace garden designs of 2023. Discover a world of green elegance where nature meets modern aesthetics. In this video, we bring you a curated selection of inspiring ideas to elevate your home terrace garden to new heights. Key features of our latest collection: innovative planting ideas. Explore creative ways to arrange plants, flowers, and shrubs, maximizing space and color harmony. Space-saving solutions. Discover clever techniques for small spaces, ensuring you can create a lush garden regardless of your terrace size. Modern and traditional fusion. Witness the seamless blend of contemporary design elements with timeless, classic garden features. Sustainable gardening. Learn about eco-friendly practices, from rainwater harvesting to composting, to make your garden environmentally conscious. Relaxation zones. Dive into the world of cozy seating, ambient lighting, and decorative elements that turn your terrace into a haven of relaxation. DIY garden projects. Get inspired by easy-to-follow DIY projects that allow you to add a personal touch to your garden space. Why watch this video? Whether you're an avid gardener seeking fresh inspiration or a beginner looking to start your gardening journey, this collection is tailored just for you. Our expert tips and visually stunning examples will spark your creativity and motivate you to transform your terrace into a lush, inviting retreat. Join us in embracing nature's beauty. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your home's ambience and connect with nature right at your doorstep. Hit the play button and embark on a journey of garden design excellence with us. Like, share, and subscribe. If you find these terrace garden ideas inspiring, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on home and garden design trends. Let's cultivate beauty together. Thank you for being a part of our gardening community. Together, let's make 2023 the year of stunning terrace gardens.